MPC Sample allows you to link pads together so you can blend and trigger samples from a single pad. Now to do this, we're going to take a snare, and I want to trigger this snap from this one pad. Now all we need to do is go to our function button and we change this to play mode. So now when I select my sound, if you hold down shift, you'll see pad link. So we want to trigger pad 2. So on the pad link, change this to 2. And now when we hit our snare, it's triggering our snap. So let's play our beat. Now let's select our snap and we can offset it between the snare, giving our beat a lazy feel. We can also use this technique on kick drums, snares to hi-hats, add in different layers. So I've got a kick here, which I've got the top of the kick, and this is my low end of the kick. Now I can trigger both of these samples from one pad. So let's take the click of the kick, hold down shift, and we're going to link it to pad 1. So let's go link 1, and now when we play it, you can hear both layers. Now if you look at the filter, on the low end, I've taken all the top out, and then on our click, we've just got the high end, which means that you can control the click and the low end of your kick drum. Using pad link really allows you to add textures to your drum layers by linking and blending sounds.